Look at all those chickens. All right, so let's focus on this question on just figuring out our total outcomes or events. So let's just start by reading it. We're going to annotate and then we're going to set up our table. So, how many total outcomes or events occur when you flip a coin and roll a fair six-sided die? Excuse me. So, we're combining the events of flipping a coin, so heads or tails, and then rolling a fair six-sided die, so you get numbers 1 through 6. Okay? So we know that we're going to combine uh, flipping the coin, and we're going to roll a fair six-sided die. Okay? So we want to combine these two events, and we're going to make a little table just like before. So I make my table. Maybe on the top I put my dice number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then on the side, I'm going to use heads and tails, right? And then I can make my little beautiful table. And we're almost finished, okay? So, heads, tails, this is my coin flip, right? And then on the top, I have all my numbers that I can roll on a on a fair six-sided die. Okay, and then I can start combining these. And I can say I'm going to combine a heads with a 1. I could also do heads with 2, heads 3, heads 4. These are all the possibilities or outcomes, events that I can get with the heads. Heads 5, heads, and 6. Cool. And then I can do the same thing with tails. I can get tails 1, tails 2, tails 3, and I can keep going. Sometimes we have to multiply our numbers. Sometimes we have to add them, subtract them. In this case, we're just combining them. There's no addition. There's no multiplication. Maybe you can think of it as multiplication, but because you're just doing t times 1, t1, 1t, t times 2, 2t kind of thing. But we're just combining our events. So t6. Now, I can count these all up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. I can count it all up and I can get my total events. But eventually, you're going to get tables and charts that are like way bigger. And you don't want to be counting. So the shortcut here is you count up how many. It's like finding the area of a rectangle or square. Count how many squares you got going in one direction. So at the bottom, I have 6 spaces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then up and down I have 1, 2 spaces. And now I can just multiply it. So I can do 6 times 2 equals 12. So 12 total. And we're done. And that's it. Okay. The next video I'm going to do is just using a tree, a factor tree. No, sorry, not a factor tree. A probability tree? I forget what it's called. But stay tuned for the next one and let me know if you have any questions, all right?